Hello guys, welcome back to the MySQL video tutorial. So in this video tutorial, we are going to learn about like how to get to the today date. Okay, so in MySQL, okay. So to get today date, we have the functions called like we have the different format. First, we'll understand that, and then we'll get to the current date. Okay. So like to get the current today date, so in MySQL we have the built-in date functions, that is current date, that is CURDAT is the function. So by using that functions we can return the date, like we can get date in the different format, that is year format, month format, date format, or else we can like by using year separate hyphen and month hyphen and date month, based on like our formatting I can use the get the current date. Okay, so now we will see like how to use the how to get the current date and date. Okay, so here command is we have to select the current date as okay. So here I'm demonstrating with alias names also. Okay, like now we'll clear the screen. So now I'm selecting the current date. So this is the, as I told, this is the current date is the function. So by using these functions, I am retrieving the current today date. So as means it is the alias name. So alias name as today. Okay. So I'm printing today date. You can observe here 2020 12 11. Okay, through today date. Okay. So this is the one way. Now next way is like even we can use the current date functions. Okay. There is two another way to retrieve the current data here. See, by using these functions also we can retrieve the current date. Okay, you can observe your current date is the my function. So if I'm now I will try to use alias name for this. Okay, alias name today today date. Okay, so I have to use here as current date as today date. Okay, here date is the functions, that's why it's giving error, that's why you can observe here. So this is date is the inbuilt data type. Okay, that's why it's giving error. Okay, you can observe I'm using underscore. So today date, this is the another way. So next I will show how to use another way. Okay, so here I'm using the functions, that is current. Okay, now without using that functions also I can able to retrieve. See, by without using these functions means opening and closing bracket also I'm able to retrieve the data, means current data. So now I will use alias names today. So you can observe here, so I'm getting the today data as well. So this is the way to get the data. Now if I want to select the like I want to get the today date by using the now functions, even though even that also possible. So now I will show you how to use the now functions. Okay, so first we have to use the now functions with help of date functions here. Okay, now I will clear the screen. See here I'm using selecting date. This is the my data type date. Now is the functions. Okay. So I'm getting from the date, I'm getting the now means today date I'm getting. Okay. So you can observe here. See from the date now means it is returning to today values, today date. So this is the like example of how to retrieve data from the database tables. Okay. So like even we can use like increment or decrement as well as like suppose we want to get the tomorrow data. So I can retrieve by using today plus I can add one to the that one. Okay, so it will becomes tomorrow. So you can observe here. So I'm selecting today date function cmpdb today does not exist. Okay, so I think I have some problems in my system, that's why it is not giving. Okay, so you can like you can you have, for this if you want to use you have to first store the this data when like we have to use the some concept called a store procedures and all. So when you store that date in a variable that is called date, so then only you are able to apply this concept. Okay, so I hope you understand this, like how to get the data by like different using three. I've explained like three ways, right? So like one is like by using date functions, current date functions, current date, and by using without parentheses. So these are the three way to get the current date. Even like we have understand this, like how to use now functions also. So I hope you understand this video tutorial. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.